Okay, so good day. We're going to talk about the combination of n objects taken r at a time. Okay, so the formula is that in CR, it is supposed to be small letter n equals n factorial divided by r factorial times the quantity in minus r factorial. Okay, so let's answer number one. 5c3 is equal to, okay, so 5 factorial means, okay, like that. So our r is 3, so 3 factorial times 5 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so let's start from the parentheses. So copy the 5 factorial and 3 factorial. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Copy the factorial. Okay, so now we're going to expand the numerator, no? So 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 2 factorial. So why did we stop at 3 factorial? Okay, in order to cancel this out, no, the denominator and numerator, so uh, we need to dapat pareho sila. Okay, so ang mangyayari, maka-cancel out sila and eto na siya. So cancel, so yung natira lang is 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is, okay, 20. Okay, then 2 factorial means 2 times 1, right? So 2 times 1 is 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is our combination. Example 2. Okay, so example 2, 8c4. So we're going to write 8 factorial over 4 factorial times the quantity 8 minus 4 factorial. Okay, then copy the 8 factorial. We will start again in the parentheses. So 8 factorial over 4 factorial. So 8 minus 4 is 4 factorial, right? Then after that, we need to expand this numerator. Expand so that may makancel dito sa baba. Okay, so 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. We will stop at 4 factorial kasi merong 4 factorial dito sa baba. Okay, so 4 factorial over 4 factorial. So isa lang yung makakancel natin dito, no? So cancel out this and this. Okay, so ayan na. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 is equal to 1680, right? So 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equivalent to 24. Okay, so 1680 divided by 24 is 70. Okay, so example 3. Okay, so we again same process. This 9 we will write it at the numerator, and this 6 we will copy this in the denominator. 6 factorial, 9 minus 6 factorial. Okay, so again just copy the numerator. 9 factorial, 6 factorial, 9 minus 6 is 3 factorial. Okay, then after that we will expand the numerator. So 9 factorial means 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. Okay, again, we will stop at 6 para makancel tong 6 sa baba. Para same sila. 6 factorial and 3 factorial. So cancel this out, cancel this out. 9 times 8 times 7 is 504. Okay, then 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, which is equivalent to 6. So 504 divided by 6 is 84. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so if you have queries, just comment below, no? So thank you for watching.